Hey guys, we had our first measurable snowfall last night. I think we had one in December, but I was traveling for work, so I didn't have to move any snow. Nope. We haven't even opened the garage door yet. We don't even know how bad it is.
It is very bad.
We don't know that.
It is. It is.
Okay, we'll trust her. We're gonna try and make a video. We're gonna push all the snow today with our Polaris four-wheeler. Hopefully, nothing breaks down. We're gonna try something a little bit silly. I'm gonna put a camera on my head so you can see exactly what I see.
Camera. And I'm gonna hold that camera.
Let's see what let's open the door and see how bad it is.
It is very bad. Wait for it. Look at it. It is very bad. Look.
All right, garage door's going. Holy cow.
It is bad.
Oh, well, there's a couple really bad drifts.
So you talked to me it was bad.
This first drift's pretty good.
No, it isn't. It's bad.
It ain't that bad. Like that area ain't too bad.
Yeah, it's bad.
What, right here?
It's bad. Like it's in the garage.
Just put it in perspective how deep this is.
Look how deep it is.
It's deeper than the camera. Let's go get a measurement.
Okay.
Right? So it goes to there. Her hand here to keep it honest. Oh. Let's see.
It's a lot of snow.
What is that? A foot? That ain't bad.
It ain't bad.
It's bad when the whole thing is a foot deep. Comment down below if you know what I did wrong. Uh-oh. Okay. Put it. Okay. For starters, I was a two-wheel drive. That's a problem. Then I let up on the throttle. Other problem. And it's covered in ice. Uh-oh. It's icy.
I know it's icy. It's been icy the whole time.
Baby. So this is working okay, but something you guys need to remember in YouTube land is there's about 1 inch of ice underneath this driveway. All of this works better every single time I've ever done this before in my life. So anyway, I don't know, I'm just making excuses. Comment down below if you ever make excuses. You ready?
Those are too big for me.
I'll help you get those going, okay? So we're stopping, not because the job's done, because we have a birthday party to go to. It's bad. The ice is bad. I think we got the driveway pretty good. But what you can't tell, that's completely ice. So that's a bad situation there. That's completely ice. And look at this. Look at that. I'm actually leaving that pile of snow right there. I'll have to get the snow blower out to get close to the house, but that's also why we buy four-wheel drive vehicles. So thanks for watching, and more videos to come later.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell notifications so you can get notified every time we make a new video. Bye! Bye!